Number 22. At a track meet, the officials measured the long jumps to the nearest 1/100th of a meter, or to the nearest centimeter. Oops, sorry. If a participant's jump is recorded as 6.50 meters, the actual jump is probably between which two parameters? Well, the first thing you have to realize is that in order to round to the nearest hundredth, we need to see 3 decimal places. Okay, so I'm looking for answers that have 3 decimal places. And I can eliminate A, that is rounded to the hundredths, but I don't know how they got there. I can't see the thousandths place to know how to round. So I'm going to eliminate that one. B has the first number in the thousandths, but the second is only hundredths, so I can't make a judgment about how that one was rounded. C is a possibility because it has 3 decimal places. D has 2 decimal places and then 3, so that's out. And then E has only 2 decimal places. So C is the answer by the process of elimination. But let me show you mathematically why it's the answer. Okay. So looking at this measurement, this is what the person's jump was recorded as being. On the low end, you could have 6,495. That is going to round to 650. And on the higher end, you could have 6.505, which would round to 651. So we would say that this measurement is not included as a possibility. This one could be, but both of those are close to this value that actually got measured. So the answer to number 22 is C, as in Charlie. I think this is the key. If you know that, you can use process of elimination on here and figure out that's the only one that has 3 decimal places on both values. I don't really like this problem, but they don't ask me. So C as in Charlie.